Hey team, Paul here from Attach2 Equipment. Today we're going to be running over the Spade Frame modular sets. As you'll see, it's a low-sided spade, and how we gain our capacity is through the large curve in the spade itself. So if you imagine your material product in your sticky hard clay ground, this is where your capacity is formed, coming from this tip, and your heaped capacity through the front edge here. Heavily used, obviously, especially in the Auckland area, where the clay ground is quite substantial and that sticky side of it. We see less and less of them obviously used around the rest of the country as soil types change. As an example, in our modular units, the smallest or the narrowest in each size range is what we call a spade frame. What that in fact is for this one here in particular is for a 7.5 ton class. The spade frame 300 wide actually acts as your 300 wide digging bucket. So the smallest one in the frame sizing, you do not need to insert on that to make it that width. That is the correct digging size for it. From there on, we can strap in set sizings of spade inserts. These are commonly used to quickly change over from one size to another, but also they're commonly used to reduce the wear. So some guys will actually run spade inserts as a way of maintaining their frame through the lifetime. As you'll see from the side on profile, we've got a Biz 400 cutting edge on the base side and a couple of little lugs up under here. We'll show you how that insert fits in there now. So as you'll see, there's a couple of locating tabs on the back of the insert. Really simple application to put them in. Sit that down over there, slide it up through into the top. A couple of standard sizing plough bolts here. Couple of nuts on the underside. So all we've done there is we've just changed this 300 spade frame for a 7.5 ton machine into a 400 wide. Once again, covered by Attach2's 3-year material manufacturing defect warranty. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.